Meaning of idiosyncratic.
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 Idiosyncratic. The term idiosyncratic refers to something that is peculiar or unique to an individual or group. It implies a characteristic or trait that is distinctive, unusual, or particular. An idiosyncrasy can refer to a behavioral quirk, a mannerism, or a personal preference that sets someone apart from others. It can also refer to a unique feature of a particular thing or system. Overall, the term idiosyncratic highlights individuality and uniqueness, emphasizing the idea that not everything can be easily categorized or standardized.